Welcome back, my lovelies. Today, I want to share with you non-maternity outfits that work and look super cute when you're really pregnant. For example, I am 39 weeks and 2 days. These outfits, I wanted to keep them very comfortable, very functional, and this is something that I already had in my closet or something similar that I had pre-pregnancy, or I'm even shopping now when I'm going to give birth so I can wear it when I have the baby. So something functional, something really cute, comfortable, and of course, it's gonna show off that beautiful, beautiful pregnant belly. Let's begin. First outfit is what I'm wearing right now. It's a button-up dress, super casual, but you can really dress it up with really cute sandals, a hat like I'm wearing, and it's really cute. I like that it buttons up, so once the baby is born, I can just unbutton and I can feed my child very discreetly, and it's just a very functional but super cute dress. It's very airy, it's very flowy, and I think a lot of you will be super comfortable in this type of an outfit. I do want to say something really quick regarding dresses like this. You can find them at Free People. This one is from Free People. But what I want to say is, yes, the dresses are somewhat really, not like super expensive, but they're definitely, I would say, an investment piece, just because I think the quality, most of their dresses are beautiful. They wash very well. And like I said, you can wear them when you're not pregnant and when you're very pregnant. So that's why I will shop at places like Free People, because I know the quality is really great and you can find some really beautiful pieces that are non-maternity. Next outfit is a very flowy, very dressy type of a skirt that's kind of like a statement. This one is super cute from ASOS. And the one thing I do want to say is, even though this doesn't have like an elastic waistband, this one is still pretty good because it can go like all the way up underneath the girls, so it still fits really nicely. But I do recommend something with an elastic waistband so you can just keep your regular size. With this one, I just went up one size that I was pre-pregnancy, but I can still wear this when I have the baby and maybe do like a belt around if it's going to be a little bit loose. But it's super flowy, very comfortable, and again, it's kind of like a statement piece, but very comfortable. And I like to pair it with a very simple white tee, or you can even do black tee or whatever color you like. But something like this, it's a little bit oversized. What I like to do with the top, with the t-shirt, is literally take it, kind of scrunch it to one side, and instead of doing like a knot, I bring it right underneath my bra to keep it nice and secure. And I just think this little outfit really shows off that belly. You look really cute and you feel very comfortable, and you look very comfortable. Skirts like this are so popular and in season right now, that are just kind of like that satiny, slippy style material. I like the style of this one. And then just a simple white t-shirt. This is from All Saints, but I got it on sale from ASOS. But like a simple white t-shirt, you can find it very inexpensive. Just maybe go up one size to make it a little bit more baggy, or you can stick to your normal size to give it more of like a bodycon style look, so it's not as flowy or loose. Next outfit, it's also another skirt with a dressier button-down white top. This one is a little bit sexy because I like how tight the skirt is, and also has a really nice high slit. I think this one is beautiful for like date nights, or just when you're feeling a little bit more, you know, confident, a little more sexy, you know, you want something to kind of show off your body a little bit more. So you can definitely pair it with sandals, sneakers, maybe some loafers to keep it super chill, or pair it with some kind of heels for like date night. So something like this, again, very comfy. Everything's kind of very tight and really showing off the bump, and I like that it's showing off a little bit of the leg, the little slit just on one side, and I think this is just, it's beautiful on pregnant women. Gorgeous, even when you're not pregnant. I think a skirt like this, when it's a little bit of like a midi length with a slit on one side, very beautiful, very like chic and like confident, you know, it's like, ooh, she's wearing it type of a deal. But something like this little button down white shirt, this is from Target. You can find them, they're pretty inexpensive, and I just kind of like rolled up the sleeves to make it a little bit less business, you know what I mean? A little It's more casual. It's not so business forward or super dressy. And then this little skirt is from ASOS, and the material is actually really nice. It's very stretchy. This is just my regular pre-pregnancy size, and it just stretches really nicely, and I can still wear this after I have the baby, and I can still feel very comfortable and confident when I wear it. Moving on to one of my favorite outfits for pregnant, when you're really pregnant, is a beautiful, really kind of tight midi dress that's ribbed with a cropped sweater. I just think this is the cutest thing ever. It really accentuates the pregnant belly, and it just looks so cute and so chic, and something about this speaks to me. I love this outfit. It really accentuates the bump, but you're very comfortable as well. I love this, and I like the monochromatic look. You can definitely put like beige, very similar type of shoes on, sandals, sneakers, to really make it monochromatic. But I just think something like this is so beautiful, and definitely one of the essentials to have even pre-pregnancy. Ribbed midi dress with slits on the side. I love that because it really accentuates the legs, especially if you're short like I am. It really kind of, I think, helps keep kind of the outfit flowing, and it doesn't look restrictive on the body. I don't know how to explain that, but then pairing it with like a little cropped little sweater, I think super cute, and I like where it hits right where the belly starts, really accentuates the belly. And then this right here, the dress, it's basically a spaghetti strap dress that I like that it's a V-neck. I can wear this without the little cropped sweater, and I can still feed my baby if this is something that I want to wear after pregnancy, and just maybe pair it with like a denim jacket, or I could even pair it with like a white little button down and tie it again at the top. So many different looks you can do with this little outfit, and both are from ASOS if you're wondering. ASOS just has some really good options that is not gonna break your wallet, not gonna break the bank, and you can wear it before, during, and after pregnancy. Keeping with the dresses, I love slip dresses and slip skirts, especially when you're pregnant and you're very far along in your pregnancy. They're so comfortable. I like the way they flow and move with the body, especially with the belly. I just think there's something about it. And pairing this right here with something like this is actually a set, but you can definitely do something like this, like a cropped t-shirt, and it really will accentuate the belly, and I think it's just super comfy. Just this outfit in general, I just love, and I think it's adorable when you're pregnant, and it's comfy. Did I say it was comfy? Very comfy. Something like this, a little slip midi dress that is either like satin or a silk material. You can find them pretty much anywhere right now. Again, they're very in trend, very in season right now, so I wouldn't spend too much money unless you really want to invest into like a silk slip dress. But I like it because it is, again, has spaghetti straps and it's a V-neck, so you know, if I want to feed the baby, I can just, you know, pick this up, pull a little blanket around me and the baby, and it's nice and discreet. Or I can just take this shirt off and pair this dress with like a denim jacket, or like I said, if it's different seasons, like if it's colder, I can pair with like a cropped little sweater to make it a little bit warmer, and then maybe wear some boots with this. So this next outfit is kind of like a 2-in-1, how I like to style biker shorts. I honestly never thought I was gonna get into biker shorts, but getting pregnant, it's getting hot outside. Biker shorts are awesome. They're so comfortable. I know they're definitely not everybody's cup of tea, but this is how I like to style them, and I think it's so cute. It's definitely very comfortable, and it still makes me feel very good in these types of outfits. So the first one, these biker shorts are actually maternity biker shorts. Very comfortable, and I definitely recommend them. And these are by the brand Blanky. Got them off of Amazon, got them in my regular size, and super comfy. So the first way I like to wear it is with like a super oversized t-shirt. You can obviously raid your hubby's closet, or if you have a man in your life and he has really big t-shirts, you can raid his closet. But this one is actually a dress, but because of the belly, it's super short, and I think it looks better with biker shorts underneath. anyways. So I wouldn't wear this as just like a dress. I'd pair this with biker shorts even if I'm not pregnant, just because I think it looks better. I like the raw detailing, the raw hedges. Yes, hedges.
Get them
raw,
hedges done.
Lawn service right here, lawn maintenance. Raw edges, and I just think it looks good, especially just a classic white tee, or you can do like a graphic tee. Urban Outfitters has so many great options that are super oversized. Pair it with some biker shorts, some sneakers, sandals, and you're off and you're good to go. Enjoy your life. I'd also pair it maybe with like a jacket on top for like evening time, or depending what time of the year it is.
I mean, you look like you're dressed for summer.
I am. This is straight up summer.
The only thing you're missing is some kombucha.
Yeah. I have no idea where this hat came from.
Probably for me.
It's probably
kombucha.
I think it's Andre's hat. Andre and I went through a kombucha phase in Florida.
What are you talking about? I'm still in kombucha phase.
What I'm saying is, remember when we would stock our fridge with every type of kombucha flavor possible? We went through a phase, you guys. It was hilarious. But I think this is, yeah, this is definitely your hat, babe. All right, so next outfit is going with the biker shorts. I'm slightly obsessed with this one also. I love denim and biker shorts together, like a denim top, a denim jacket. This one right here.
You're just obsessed with denim, period.
Guys, I just love denim jackets. This one right here, this is kind of like a denim dress slash a super denim oversized shirt with a belt. Like it has its own little denim belt around it. This one, again, ASOS. Guys, ASOS, they're just so good. They have so many good inexpensive options. But this one I really like with biker shorts, especially for the summertime. I like the fact that it comes with its own little belt. It really accentuates the belly and it's super comfortable. Again, I can wear this after I have the baby because it buttons up. So I do wear this kind of like a really oversized shirt, or kind of like a jacket slash dress. Not jacket, a dress. Last but not least, can't forget leggings. Leggings and pregnancy, they go hand in hand so well, so well. I think nothing else beats it. So obviously, pair of leggings. These are maternity leggings. These are the very first pregnancy leggings I ever purchased. This is by the brand David Lerner. I got them on sale when Shop Up was having it last year. I think I was like 17 weeks pregnant, 18 weeks, and they did not fill my belly whatsoever, and I hated them. So I wore just regular leggings for the longest time ever, but now that, you know, I'm pretty much done. These leggings are phenomenal. They're very comfortable, and paired with an oversized tee, it's a match made in heaven. I personally like pairing leggings with something like this. This is an oversized long sleeve t-shirt, and I think it's super cute. It has a little bit of something extra. It's kind of has like a heavier weight material, so like a really oversized long sleeve tee that you can just roll up. I think even raiding my husband's closet and using one of his t-shirts is perfect for this, but leggings, oversized tee, match made in heaven. Put on some sandals or slip-ons or just sneakers, and perfect outfit with maybe a hat or like a baseball cap. I think it's phenomenal. And that completes some of the outfits that, well, actually a lot of the outfits that I'm liking right now when I'm really pregnant. Again, I can't reiterate this enough. Comfortable, cute. I want to feel confident, especially right now when, you know, when you're like at the very, very end of it. But I think all of these outfits you can definitely wear when you're not pregnant, when you're just pregnant, when you're just getting that little belly, and then of course when you have the big, beautiful pregnant belly, which I just love when women show that off. I think it's the most beautiful thing ever. You're literally growing a little miracle inside, you know? Show that thing off, show that belly off with all that confidence. And I hope you guys find some inspiration. Obviously, it doesn't have to be exactly what I'm wearing. This is not a haul. This is just an inspirational video that you can just throw outfits together that you probably already have a lot of these pieces or similar type, not these specific pieces, but these types of pieces in your closet or even your man's closet that you can just raid, you know?
Where'd you get this shirt? ASOS?
Yeah, ASOS. Please share your outfits that you wear or you wore when you were super pregnant with a beautiful little belly. And again, thank you for watching, spending this video with myself and the little baby before the baby comes into this world. And we'll see you in the next one very soon. Bye.